If you've been looking for a side hustle but don't have hours to spare every day, let me share how you can use AI skill stack to launch one in just minutes a day. Most side hustles require constant posting on social media, running ads, or creating products. That's what burns people out. But AI skill stack takes a different approach. It's a plug and play system that helps you build a profitable email business without all the stress. Here's what makes it powerful. First, you get a clear step by step video course that shows you how to set everything up quickly. You don't need to be tech savvy, it's explained in plain English. Then, you get the Inbox Ignition Pack, which includes 4 custom AI bots. One helps you come up with a catchy brand name, another defines your perfect audience, the third builds your email voice so you connect with readers, and the last one actually writes emails for you in minutes. That means instead of spending hours writing or figuring out funnels, you can sit down for 5 to 10 minutes, let the bots do the work, and keep your side hustle moving. You own the list you're building, and over time, that list can turn into a steady income stream. And the best part, it's totally risk free. AI Scale Stock comes with a 60-day money back guarantee, so you can try it, see how it works, and if it's not for you, you'll get your money back, no questions asked. If you want a simple way to launch a real side hustle without losing your free time, check out the link in the description and sign up for AI Scale Stock today. Lock in your spot now before the price goes up and start building something that grows even while you sleep.